Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about how Credit Karma makes money if its services are free. This is a question many people have, since Credit Karma provides free access to your credit scores and reports. The answer is simple. Credit Karma is a for-profit business, and its revenue comes from a model known as performance-based advertising. Credit Karma partners with financial institutions like banks and credit card companies. They analyze your credit profile and financial data to present you with personalized offers for credit cards, personal loans, and other financial products. These are offers that you are more likely to be approved for, and they are displayed as recommendations on your dashboard. When you click on one of these recommendations and are approved for the product, Credit Karma receives a commission or a referral fee from the partner company. It's a win-win-win model. You, the consumer, get a free service and see offers you might actually use, the financial institution gets a new customer, and Credit Karma gets paid for making the connection. In addition to this, Credit Karma also earns revenue from general advertising and from other services they offer, such as tax preparation and tools that help you manage your finances. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.